channel. So today I bought something new for you all guys, that is tote bag painting. I hope you like this video. If you do so, then you know the drill. Like, subscribe and share. In this video I'll tell you 3 ideas how to decorate your tote bag, and this is BTS inspired. Those who are armies, comment down below. Let's get started. Here's the first idea. So here you'll need fabric colors, tote bag, paint brushes, and any character of your choice. Here I have used Cookie by Jungkook and a carbon paper. Now here I am sticking printed sheet on the carbon paper with the help of masking tape. Now onto the tote bag. Again I am securing it with the tape on the tote bag so that it doesn't move around. Now here I am tracing this character out with the pen. You can draw directly onto the tote bag also, but I am not good at drawing, so I am using this technique. Now as you can see how clean it is. Now here I am using fabric colors to fill it in. Here I am using 3 different colors, that is skin, magenta and white, to make a proper shade of pink. Before painting, make sure you keep paper inside the bag so that paint doesn't leak through the cloth. Now here I am using black paint to make the boundaries. So here our first idea is completed. You can draw any other character you love. Now here I have calligraphy writing. You can write whatever you love, any inspirational quote, normal quote, whatever. Again, it's the same process. Now here I am using black and red paint. So here our second idea is also completed. Now let's move on to the third idea. For this DIY you'll need foam sheet and a paper puncher. Here I am using in flower shape. Here I have 4 flowers punched out. Now here I have taken a bottle cap and I'll stick all these foam flowers onto the cap with the help of hot glue gun. Now here our stamp is ready. You can either dip it in the paint or just apply paint onto it. Now here I'm putting a transparent sheet inside the tote bag. These all 3 designs are very easy to make and I just love all of them. And comment down below which one you like the most. As you can see, it looks so cute, and just like this you can make so many stems and so many designs with it. I hope you loved this video, and if you do so, then don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of these videos. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, ta-ta, bye-bye and take care.